going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have a low profile arm stand, basically for your microphone. I have the old school one, so I will do a little swap out. I will show y'all that. Let's go ahead and get into this. Here goes the unboxing. All right, so we have the instructions, in which hopefully we don't need, we will see. And we have the arm right here. Oh yeah, forgot to tell y'all, it's white. A little bit different, you know, but the standard is black. I know, that's what the standard is. It does come in black, you guys. Woo, this is not small. It's actually a nice size. So we know what this is for. It goes right on the desk. So depending on what mic you want to switch to, however your mic is hooked up, you have different type of holder right there. You have accessories right here, hardware, strap for your wire. The other arm is right here. Go ahead and attach it to your desk. All you do is turn left to go down, turn right to go up. All right, so it's on there pretty tight. Here it says insert the first arm to the bottom base. So if you don't know, you have two arms here, okay? And it says insert the first arm, but unfortunately they didn't tell you what's 1 and 2. So your first arm should be the one that will be like an extension. All right, have the screw right here. Tighten it like this. And put this in right now. And then it says you can adjust the height or whatever you need. So you adjust the height, and it goes pretty high too. Like that. Bring it to me and bring it up and have it however I want it, wherever I want to be, but this is kind of better. So if you want to hook up your wires, these clips right here, they go right over top of this gap. So you could put your wire through the gap and then clip your wire inside of the gap. This will be under my studio equipment playlist. You can see all the studio equipment that I have. All right, you guys, so again, doing a little side by side. Now, as far as the bottom goes, basically the same thing. Definitely have a bigger circumference than this one. Twist it on, twist it on. Oh yeah, and I did find the screw to this, you guys. So you have a little screw right here. Again, the instructions don't tell you to do it, but there's a little piece right here. You see that? It's a plastic piece. So we're going to put that in first. Or you can put this on your tool, your hex, and then put it in. So that way you can have some type of room. So I will leave it loose. That way I can have some turning ability. But if you tighten it, you will tighten the arm up. Okay, so I have it on there, but it's not all the way tight. Now, this is how you do your wires. You want to run your wire inside. When you put your wire inside like this, then you put your clip on. So just like that. Run your wire right in the middle. Clip on in the middle. Clip on. Then you can run it right here on the side and put it in the middle. Clip on. And then run it in the middle with the clip on. And then it's secured. So your wire is secured, okay? Wire secured. Tighten that. So there you go. And see how your wire just wraps around right there? All right. So you're not going to be doing all of those 360s, but I'm just showing you guys. Okay. So that's it with that. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Give me a second, you guys. My wife is calling. What's up, Mom?
Hi, Bobby, you're up. Oh my goodness. How are you? How was the night night?
I don't go to sleep.
How was the night night?
I blacked out.
How was it? Because I see that you were up.
I blacked out.
I love you too, my night night, bud.
Love. Oh, I got the wrong one. Oh, no. Oh, great.